So as you can see, today I'm gonna unbox SUiTU brushless motor vacuum cleaner with the model number ST6645 Pro. On the box, it's written mostly in Chinese language. So, and at the back, so no specs written on the body of this box, and I went to where I bought it, and I'm gonna read some of the specs for y'all. So got 50,000 PA normal mode suction, and on the high speed got 95,000 PA suction, and got also 120 watts, 4,000 milliamp hour battery, 3 hours charging time, and 20 days continuous use. So I don't really understand what they mean by that. And got 35,500 RPMs, and it's a brushless motor. So they got two versions, the basic and the pro version. So I got the pro version. It's also written here. I got the pro version, and now let's open it up, man. So inside comes with a manual, so I don't really read that. And when you are buying, you got the option either with a lot of filters like this, or a little bit less filter. So when you take a little less filter, then the price also decreases. So with a lot of filter like this, the price increase. And here, these are the filter. I bought with 4 filter, as you can see. And okay, you can wash this filter and reuse it again. Okay, and these are the accessories. So it comes with a charging cable, and it's a USB-C, which is good. Okay, one more thing. These are really good. Okay, this is the thing. So, you know, take this one's back, and we're gonna talk about this. Okay, I was testing it. You see this dirt? So it's not bad, it's okay, you know. And you can easily pull this one up, as you can see, and pull up. This is it. Then to turn it on, as you can see, does it turn on? You need to hold it for 3 seconds, I guess. And this is the first speed. The second speed, you just press. Okay. So now, let's try again. Okay. Now. So we're going to try something. Okay. Normal speed. You can see that's the normal speed. Okay, it's not bad, and it's really good for couch. You know, the edges, you know, where it's hidden, then you just open the edge, then suck it up, you know, which is really good. So now, how to remove this one? I guess you pull back. Okay. As you can see, it's good. The good thing about this thing, it doesn't just suck alone, it blows also, you know. Okay, so now if you want it to blow, not this side anymore, you come to this side, the back side, and you press also, and it blows. So not so much. Let's try it. Or should I use the bigger one? No, this one is not for here. Okay, it is. Okay. Press. You see that? Which is really, really good. And when you pull this one, then you can put this one, then this one, then it's long. Okay. That's it for the unboxing of this vacuum cleaner, and peace, man. It's